This box costs just over $300, but inside is a phone that challenges phones that cost twice as much. A 144Hz AMOLED display that bends at the edges, three 50-megapixel cameras including a dedicated telephoto lens, a 6500 mAh big battery, and a chip that promises to hold it all together. The question isn't, is this a good phone? The question is, what did Tecno have to sacrifice to make it? This is the Tecno Camon 50 Pro. Let's find out. First impressions start with the box. It's compact, it's clean, and inside Tecno has given you almost everything you need to get started. You get a clear, soft TPU case, not the cheap metal kind. You get a USB to C cable, some paperwork, and a SIM ejector tool. But most importantly, you get a 45-watt fast charger in the box. And 2026, that is a statement. Unboxing done. Now, let's talk about what you are actually holding. Take it out of the case and the Camon 50 Pro makes a bold first impression. The curved AMOLED display flows into the metal frame with a 43.5-degree bend that reduces the bezels and feels surprisingly comfortable in the hand. It's a different design choice, but one that makes the phone feel more expensive than it is. The back panel has a subtle texture finish that shifts color into light. The Camon 50 Pro has a serious stamina advantage over most of its competitors. It has a huge 6500 mAh battery. In my testing, it easily lasted a full day and a half of heavy use. For more moderate users, you could comfortably get 2 full days on a single charge. And when you finally do need to plug in it, the 45-watt charger can charge its full battery in up to 45 minutes. The cameras are where the Camon 50 Pro makes it more interesting. It has a triple camera system on the back, and every lens is a 50 megapixel sensor. There is a primary 50 megapixel Sony lens which make your everyday shots stable. The results are genuinely impressive. Portrait benefit from a natural softbox effect. The primary sensor captures great dynamic range and color accuracy. If you are a photography enthusiast on a budget, this is a very compelling package. The results are genuinely impressive. Portrait benefits from a natural softbox effect. If you are a photography enthusiast on a budget, this is a very interesting package. Now, for the part of the story where the mid-range price tags catch up. Under the hood, the Camon 50 Pro is powered with MediaTek Helio G200 Ultimate chipset. This is paired with 8GB of physical RAM and up to 8GB of virtual RAM plus 256GB of storage. For everyday tasks, messaging, social media, web browsing, it's more than capable. The phone zips through these apps without hiccup. So what's the final verdict? The Tecno Camon 50 Pro is a masterpiece of compromise. That's my full review on the Tecno Camon 50 Pro. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more honest review. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.